Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn present tense in Hindi. First of all, we should understand the meaning of present tense. In previous video, we learned present indicative sentences. In those videos, we used only helping verb. But here, we should use main verb. What are the main verbs? Go, come, eat. These all are main verbs. So let's understand what is the meaning of present tense. Look at some boys are playing in front of you right now. So when in front of us, when somebody is doing any work in front of us, so that is present condition. So how to express in Hindi? How to write sentences in Hindi? So look at a girl is writing, boy is writing. At present condition now. Here a girl is doing some work. So this is called present tense. Present means now. So how to write sentences in Hindi? So there is a rule to frame a sentence in Hindi in present tense. So here boy is doing some work. So when we frame sentences in Hindi in present tense, you should follow the rules. So look at वह जाता है. Look at वह जाता है आरती है. When the person is doing action, the who is doing action, he is called subject. So in sentence, when you frame sentence, the subject will be first. Beginning of the sentence, you should use subject. Then what they are doing, that is verb. So verb will go at the end of the sentence. With verb, you should use the rule, present tense rule. To identify the sentence, we should use some rules, something to indicate to identify the present tense. So when we write sentences in present tense, you should add tahai or tihai. Tahai is for male, tihai is for female. What is meant by male and female? Male means boy, female means girl. So when the action is done by boy, you should add tahai with verb jata hai. When the action is done by female, you should add tihai, jati hai. So vah jata hai. The tahai will come with verb tahai. Hai will come separately. Jata hai. Jata ta will come with verb, but hai will come separately. Jata hai. So let's see in the sentence. Look at. He is a boy, singular, and the person is male and singular. You should add tahai. That is the rule. So let's see the sentence. Gopal खाता है. Gopal is eating. वह फल खाता है. He is eating fruit. He eats fruit. Gopal क्या खाता है? Gopal, subject always will come, subject will come first. The verb will go at the end. In middle, what are the detail will come? Those all things will come in middle. वो गोपाल क्या खाता है? What does Gopal eat? वह फल खाता है. He eats fruit. When you tell in English, you should follow the rules of English. When you frame sentences in Hindi, you should follow the rules of Hindi language. Next to Mohan. A Mohan is a boy, singular. Mohan jata hai. Mohan jata hai. Ja is a verb. Ja means go. You should add the rule ta hai. Mohan jata hai. वह स्कूल जाता है. He goes to school. मोहन कहाँ जाता है? Where does Mohan go? वह स्कूल जाता है. He goes to school. कहाँ means where. रहीम मैदान में खेलता है. Rahim is a boy. He is playing in the playground. How to write sentence in Hindi for that action? मोहन मैदान में खेलता है. He plays. Rahim plays in playground. Rahim मैदान में खेलता है. Rahim plays in playground. Karim भी मैदान में खेलता है. Karim also plays in the playground. Karim is a boy, singular. Oh, Gopal, Mohan, Rahim, Karim, these all persons are singular. One person. When the person is a singular and male, you should add ta hai, jata hai, khelta hai, khata hai. Okay. When the person is female singular, that means girl. So you should add ti hai with the verb. For example, look at वह सरला है. वह means she. She is सरला. सरला क्या करती है? What does सरला do? What does सरला do? कर means, look at the word. कर means do. वह लिखती है. She is writing. लिख means write. So you should add ती है. So लिखती है. Look at the word लिखती है. वह क्या लिखती है? What does she write? So here also ती है, लिखती है. Whenever we express the singular female action, you should use ती है with the verb when you write sentence in Hindi. Or when you speak in Hindi. वह खत लिखती है. She writes a letter. खत means letter. Look at the word khat means letter. You know letter, what is meant by letter? Letter means the postman brings letter, that letter, not alphabet. So वह खत लिखती है. She writes a letter. Okay. So in this video we understand to understand the meaning of present tense, and we understood how to write the sentence in Hindi in present tense. So whenever the singular person is doing action, you should add with the verb ta hai or ti hai. Okay. So now there's a time to homework. Watch the videos, understand the meaning. So copy these all sentences in your classwork note. Write the topic, read and write the sentences, understand the meaning and copy. So that is your homework. So these all grammar parts are very important. So revise once or twice. Watch the videos once or twice. Understand the meaning. If you don't know, with the help of your parent also, you can understand better. I hope you would have studied these all grammar part in English. Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, you can call me also. Okay, so please copy the sentences in your classwork note. Thank you. Dhanyavad.